Fuskar safiya akwai sokin rai fitilun birni suna haska hanya tafiyar soyayya ba gudu ba ja da baya ko yankar gurasa sai kowa na rawa.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to use an AI tool to generate music depending on your location and depending on the type of music that you're trying to create. This AI tool is none other than Suno AI. Okay, and to access Suno AI, all you need is to come over to your browser. You can just type in Suno AI, open your Google, can bring it over here, or you can come to suno.com and it's going to bring you over here, and then you can click to start the Suno. You can see different kind of songs that are created by the AI. You can see them. You can have an inspiration into what they are from the people that have created them. These are some fantastic music that were created by others, especially for content creators that need music that they can use as background music in order for you to avoid copyright issues. If you can define the prompt to this Suno AI, it is going to generate the kind of video, the kind of audio, or the kind of music that you like for that content, so that you don't go and get copyrighted. You don't get copyright claims from the owners of the music that you are using. So this is one of the key ways to create free music that are strongly or strictly created by you, and it depends. Different kind of themes, different kind of music can come up. So let's say we can go ahead and click on create, and we brought in over here. You can just define the kind of music that you want. All right, so let's say, for example, I've generated these songs. Generate a Hausa song using the northern Nigeria style, e.g. the Kano step music. Let's see this Hausa directly. So I've just created this, I've generated, and it has given me these 4 different variations of the music that I want. And let's hear the first one. This is very interesting, you know.
Fuskar safiya akwai sokin rai fitilun birni suna haska hanya tafiyar soyayya ba gudu ba ja da baya ko yankar gura.
Now this is the verse. You can see verse 1, verse 2, verse 3, verse 4. You can read them accordingly, and it's written directly. So this title of this is Jirgin Sona. Okay, this Jirgin Sona is a Hausa song, of course. This is just directly Hausa, and it's persuasive and traditional. And you can do many things from here. You can download, or you can share the link, or you can download as an MP3, or you can download as a video if you're interested. The visibility also can change, and then you can do many other things. You can create things from here, reuse the prompt, extend it, or create a song, audio, radio, or something like that. You can copy the text directly and share it directly. Copy song link and share with someone. So this is the first one. Let's hear the second one, Jirgin So now.
Fuskar safiya akwai sokin rai fitilun birni suna haska hanya tafiyar soyayya ba gudu ba ja da baya ko yankar gurasa sai kowa na rawa muryarki kamar sabiya na zube.
So this is really interesting. Only that the singer is not really a local person, so the singing is not really done in Hausa. It is done in English, but you can understand the meaning if you are following with the text. Okay, well, over here you can follow the verse and you'll understand. If you're the local, you can also follow up and understand what it is saying. And the beat, the lyrics is actually very, very interesting and very nice. You can see this one. Let's try this one. Ariwa Tafidadi is also a local one.
Magari na arewa suna farin ciki, ki da suna tashi da yammacin sa'a. Duk mutane suna waka suna rawa, kowa da guda.
Okay, this is also interesting because it's following the verse directly and is reading it not in Hausa, but is using the English lyrics to read it. Well, it's very, very interesting. Now, the idea is you can go ahead and generate your own and then just go ahead, explore it and see what you can generate. You can change how many the model that it is being used here. You can change it and you can upload an audio also to serve as a guide for you to for it to generate something close to what you want, and then you can enable the song description. You can make it instrumental if you want to make it instrumental, or you can off that as well, and you can customize quite a number of things also if you want to customize. Okay, this is the custom mode. If you want to change the style of the music, you can define the style of the music down here, the persona, the title of the music, the workspace. You can define all of this, and then you type your lyrics over here, so that if you want the AI to generate the lyrics for you as a customized one, not for it to generate automatic like we have here, you can paste in your lyrics and let it read. You have the maximum of 3,000 words. Okay, so you can just go ahead, explore on your own and see. And if you want to have explore other people's work, you can also come to explore over here, and you'll be able to see what other people have created depending on what actually you are targeting. Okay, so you can check from here, Japanese song. This is something like bedroom pop, New Jackson. You can click and you'll have an idea into what is being created. Okay, so you can come over here and you can explore different types of music based on what people have created, so you can have an inspiration and you can be able to see and use those kind of inspiration for your own music that you want to create.
Rise and shine, break free, my divine. Don't you see the world's color?
All right, this is very interesting, and these are created solemnly and completely by AI. So just go ahead and explore and see what you can do with this to help you create your content better. So I hope you enjoy this. So this concludes this tutorial about the use of Suno AI to generate music for your own content creation to avoid copyright issues. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.